practical in electrical electronics. We'll learn the applications, troubleshooting, and a lot more. The aim of this YouTube channel is for you to be able to do it yourself. There are many things that when you understand the basic, you understand the principle and the function, then you'll be able to apply it yourself. So today we are going to see some components. So I titled this video as component identification. So we'll identify the component, and in my next video we'll talk about the functions of the component, we'll talk about the principles of the operations, we'll talk about the troubleshooting when there is problem, how do you identify the problem and what is the behavior when there is a problem. Then after this, all this, then we go into the application. We'll do it practically. I'll take it with you live and see how we can go about it, see how my knowledge can be, but I promise you it's going to be an interesting channel, and in any video, try not to miss any video, follow it step by step and see how we are going to achieve some things a lot. Thank you. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel so that you can get updates whenever I post video, and like my video, and also give it a thumb. Thank you. As we start. Yeah, let's start from the multimeter testing instrument. This is the probe, and this is your multimeter, the testing device. Here we have a contactor. This is a contactor, and this contactor is an AC contactor. AC contactor means the coil that energized for the contactor to close accept AC 220 volts. So such contactor is an AC contactor. This is another type of contactor. You can see this one is bigger, this one is the smaller one. We have different type of contactor. Then this is a breaker, a circuit breaker. This is 3-pole circuit breaker. We are going to use it in our practical also. This is a single pole type of breaker. We are going to make use of this breaker also in our practical. Then we have a relay. A relay to me in electrical is very, very important component. We have various type of relay. You can see this one have up to 14 pins, up to about 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 terminal, 4 normally closed, 4 normally open. This is another type of relay. Is a DC relay and 24-volt relay. This is also a 24-volt relay. We have a 12-volt relay also. Very important. We are going to make use of this relay very, very well in our practical. Relay is very, very important. It can be used as a switch. You can use it to operate automatic and like that. We'll come that is very important. This is the toggle switch. We are going to make use of this toggle switch also. Toggle switch. Then this is a current transformer. This one measures the current. Measured current. This is a current transformer, and the rating of this current transformer is 60 amp. This is 60 amp current transformer. This is current transformer. Then we have some other switches that can break the circuit also. This can also be used as an emergency switch. Then I will introduce us to a controller. This is a controller. This controller can be used for anything, generator, whatever I want to control. And the voltage, the power for this controller is DC power. It utilizes DC power from 12 volts to 24 volts. So we have the stop button, we have the manual button, the auto button, and start button. This gives you the close command for a breaker, then open command for a breaker. We are still going into this. We'll go more detail. Here we have your power supply. Here you have your service point where you can use your computer to log on and configure this controller. This is Deep C controller. Then we also have this controller. This is AGC3 diff controller. This one, that is the name, diff, and this is the service port for this controller. We have an external display. I'm not with the display now. In the subsequent video I will show us the display. So we are still going to use this in our practical. Then we have a motorized breaker. A motorized breaker. And this is how it works. Motorized breaker operates either by charging it to close, automatic or manual. This is quite heavy. So when you want to operate this motorized breaker, you charge it. This cycle breaker. Now it's charged. Then you can push to engage for the supply. Then you can push to disengage. I'll charge it again. Yeah. On, off. So this is a motorized breaker. This breaker can also be connected to a generator or remotely on NEPA or where you want to apply it. Then you can send a command, a close command to close it, to send an open command to open it. There is a relay inside that is responsible for the closing and the opening. This is one of the relays. We have like these three that are responsible for closing and opening. So we are still going to pieces this, open everything, we check everything more, we practicalize it, connect it to power on ground, engage it. Just make sure you subscribe to the video and follow every video to get the details. These are the few things I want us to identify today, and you can see the application of this switch on this panel. This is a load bank. I'm trying to put this up a load bank. I've built some before, and this is another type of controller. Another type of controller. This is an emergency switch, the toggle switch for the load bank. Then on and off, you have the contactor, power, and so other things. Today is just for simple introduction. So look at just some few components. We have lots of more components on generator, on panel, and I promise you that we are going to learn together how to build a panel, how to build an ATS, how to build a changeover, how to build a distribution panel. Just make sure you subscribe to the video and stay connected, and we'll see how we can try our best to get some details. Don't forget to make your safety number one before you practicalize anything. Make sure you read about the manufacturer specification, get the manufacturer specification, understand it before you apply. Your safety is key, number one in engineering. Thank you for your time.